Hello and welcome to this how-to guide from Quantique. In this video I'm going to show you how to securely deliver firmware updates to your IoT device using QuarkLink Ignite. My IoT device is already connected and publishing to the MQTT server. If we look at the example hub, we can see we're publishing the word yellow. Let me bring up a webcam so we can see the LED too. Let's upload some new firmware that will change the LED and the published word to magenta. We navigate to our firmware tab and we can see we have some firmware already loaded. Let's add some new firmware. We have our firmware name, our description and some attributes. So let's give it some attributes that we can filter on later. We have a version and this is version 1.1.4. Let's add a device field. This is for the ESP32. Let's add a build attribute. This is for the VE fuse build. Okay, and now we just need to drag and drop our firmware in. Upload and save. So we can see our firmware has been added to the available firmwares. Now we need to apply that to our device, which we do in batches. Go to devices, edit batch settings. Here we can see our firmware. We've previously loaded version 1.1.3 yellow, and here we have all of our available firmware. So let's filter by attributes so we get the right firmware. Let's filter on device and we want to pick only the ESP32. The build type, we only want VE fuse builds. Let's set filters. Now when we look at our available firmware, we just have ESP32 for VE fuses. So let's pick our latest version, 1.1.4 magenta. Let's save that. Now when the IoT device polls QuarkLink with the status message, it will be notified that there's a firmware update to apply, and it will then download it and execute the firmware update. If we look at our hub and display the MQTT data, we can see the messages will change from yellow to magenta. There we go, successfully updated our firmware. That's how quick and easy it is to securely deliver firmware updates to your IoT device using QuarkLink Ignite. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. Follow Quantique on YouTube, LinkedIn and our other social media networks listed in the description for more helpful guides.